Greetings, my fans, friends all over the world. So, right now, you are going to be watching a very great activities that is going to be happening here in between these two beautiful ladies. Watch how to make an act in the comfort of your own home. You can always turn the city to village. See work mmadụ nọkata nnọọ o jiri anya aja ụlọ sị nọ nke a ka ya mma. Let's take a look at the design you see. After that, they are removing the tapes. Back then with painting, we used to do all this art design when I was a painter. So, a lot of people don't know that I was once not only into doing the painting, but also I am always serving them, just like the woman is serving the other person. So you can see so many amazing movements. This is step by step. Watch it in case you want to renovate your house. No go do one for person house. So make sure it's a property that you own yourself. So when they say what the men can do, women can do it more better. So as you can see, how they are using hands to do the plastering. This one is not the one that you have to wait or you start looking for trowel. No. Did you see how beautiful the result is? Oh gosh. This is so amazing. 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 So right now, on to the next stage. So you can see, if you can already guess what they are making, you can drop it on the comment section. Please do well by sharing these videos. Share this video to go viral. You can also upload it on your status so that those that want to make some amazing art in the comfort of their zone, they will be able to do that. So right now you can see how they are laying this stone. If you don't like this video, wait till you gain. Let's appreciate the handwork of these beautiful ladies. Let's appreciate it. Let's appreciate it. It is not easy. It is not easy. See my in-laws using hand to make this amazing stuff. Oh gosh. I would have also loved to make but that one is when I will be in Nigeria. So guys, you can see, can you see how they have transformed this place with just a twinkle of an eyes? Yeah. E good though, if you no make money, make you get handwork. Nobody know where Oluwa go from sending destiny helper. So you can see in a house where there is tie, they did the flood. As in, it's like they are just trying to create a villa in a township. Wow. So right now we are doing the design painting. I love this work. In case if you have painting work or painting design, you can call me as a tattoo artist. I will give it to you. If you want this art drawing, PM, let's do business. No, but also as a wine. So as you can see, how step by step sister-in-law is making this. Is it not amazing? Please share this video. Let's share this video so that she will be happy to give us more content. More content like this. Educational content is something that people are supposed to be watching. But nowadays in the internet, the things that are trading and always at the top is something that will not bring prosperities to the kingdom and also to the world. It doesn't glorify God. But you see, if all women could be able to have a handwork in any kind of form, you can be a tailor, a hairstylist, a painter, a drag cleaner, etc., etc. You can work in a spa. You can start a business of your own with your little handwork. If you don't have a business idea you want to do, you can DM me. I can still give you business that you can do. Have it in mind. The consultation no be free but you are going to really get the positive result you want, whether in your small skill business, in your marketing, in your influencer work. Just name them. So I am open for collaboration in case you want to collaborate with me, and I'm also open for interview in case. So guys, you can see the work of art is beautiful. It's beautiful. This work of art is beautiful. I say it's beautiful. This work of art is beautiful, just like the snow, just like the rose, just like the flower. Omo, see painting. Actually, my son can draw more better than this. I'm not kidding. I'm being sincere and honest. Just hoping that one day somebody gives him a very great opportunity to be able to make a very great art. It will be so amazing. So, you see the design? Baby, please give it to me tonight. I'm going crazy tonight. Hey, let me be your maga. Tell me what you want. Oh. Oh, I just wanna know your name. Wanna see as I don't turn the music upside down. Have you watched me on NTM Project Fame Season 8? Port Harcourt City Queen. Go and watch it. May you see as I turn P Square or Mogemi upside down. But that's the way I used to sing it, man. You say your love no dey lie. You say your feelings no dey die. See me I dey cry, hey yeah. Oh no. You say your love no dey die, yo. Follow for more content like this. Say your feelings no dey die. See me I dey cry, yeah. Oh no, follow. Say your love no dey die, yeah. See me I dey cry. Tell me which can life be this? Not today, yeah. It don't take. See this time my best remote, oh. Oh no, no be so. I don't need an explanation why you there, Allah. I don't need why you there, Allah. Talk say who say she say that. Now who say that? P Square don't say that. My brothers tell me which can life be this. She don't colo share this video. Share it, baby. If you not share and wait till you gain. I don't need any explanation why you there, Allah. I don't need why you there, Allah. Talk say who say she say that. Now who say that? P Square don't say that. My brothers tell me which can la be this she don't colo. I swear nobody could believe the girl. No, be so. Anytime when I they wish to get a fi say you be wish to make you get a my side, they make you find your way. Tell me which can love be this. Like this video. If you no like and wait till you gain. Oh, you like yeah, I know this video. Huh? Like this video. My Indians are always working so hard, most especially the housewives. Always want to make sure that there is something that they are able to do when they are less busy. So, like this video, share this video, drop your own comments, and tell me if the way it is before and the way it is now, which of them do you prefer? Be honest. So, drop your answers in the comment section so that we get to know each other, and at least when I will be doing my next video, I will be able to give a shout out to my top fans and also send them some hug. Yes. So as you can see, everything feels as if you are in an African home. So you can see the way it is. Did you see how the whole family just settled there? There is nothing like feeling at home, keeping the culture. Drop your comment and tell me, how did you see this interior? Changing from modern days to olden days. Old is gold. Is it not it? So make sure you like this video. Don't forget to drop your own opinion in the comment section. And always showcase your passion. Your passion. When I say showcase your passion, you need to really showcase it. So that's just it. Thank you for watching. Share